Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get the Calm app for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The Calm app offers some free content but full access requires a subscription. However, there are ways to use Calm app for free or get discounts. So the first step is to head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Calm and then look for the app icon like this on your screen, then tap on it and then tap on the get button or install button respectively to your device. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open, and now here you'll get limited free access to the daily calm meditation, of loose sleep stories, some relaxation music and soundscapes, and of basic breathing exercises. You can try the free trial. Calm offers a 7-day free trial or the premium version. To start it, what you need to do is tap on the premium on the bottom right corner of the screen, and here tap on try free and subscribe to activate your 7-day free trial. Then you can also check if your employee or health plan covers the Calm. Some companies, schools and health insurance plans offers free complimentary subscriptions. Check Calm for work or ask your employer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.